I'll show you the installation in the car. Actually, it's very easy. First, this is a stand and this is a device. Click them together as I showed you before. Okay, put it in here. Okay, a little bit push forward. Yeah, it's down. And we get, this is a micro USB power cable. Just put it here. Okay, and then remove the sticker of the stand. You just find the stick the device in front of the driver, okay, on the dashboard, like this way. Yep. Okay, it's okay. And then you just plug in the USB cable in the car charger. That's it. Actually, one more thing is very important is you can adjust the steering wheel a little bit, and or also your seat height a little bit to adjust the head. Please do not make, for example, you cannot make the steering wheel and or the in front of the camera, because the camera is here. So just to make the steering wheel a little bit lower. Yeah, it's okay. And then you can adjust your seat a little bit. Yeah, to fit with the height. Just look for, and the height, the distance should be like the one arm length. Yeah, like this way, the distance, that's the perfect distance. And also the height, when your hands is here, similar with your shoulder height. Yeah, it's okay. Okay, this is a cable clips. You can use this one here, for example. Yep, that's it. Okay, I'll show you how it works. Actually, just plug in the cable. It'll be power on automatically, and it'll say welcome on board.
Welcome on board.
Yep, and it'll take a few seconds to initialize.
I'm ready.
After it said I'm ready, then everything's ready.